To let those cook up and get nice and toasty. And now that these are nice and brown, I'm gonna go ahead and drain that oil off, and we're gonna pop them right on our paper towel to dry. All right, we're gonna just go ahead and put these to the side so they can cool down. And we're gonna bring in a medium bowl and a spatula. I have here some whipped cream cheese. We're gonna use this whole container of whipped cream cheese, and this is the 12-ounce container. You can also use softened cream cheese if you don't want to use the whipped. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, get all of that out. Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with my powdered sugar, and we're gonna add about a cup of powdered sugar to this. Depending on how sweet you like, you can do less or more. Oh yeah. Last thing we're gonna add to this mixture is some vanilla extract. We're just gonna do a little splash in there. Perfect. Now we're gonna bring back our spatula, and we're just gonna fold all of these things together until we get a creamy, no-bake cheesecake. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so delicious, and it's gonna go beautifully with those cinnamon rolls. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. We're gonna go ahead and grab our cinnamon rolls, and we're just gonna place them on our cutting board. These smell so good, you guys.
They look nice and toasty.
Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna bring in my serrated knife, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these right in half. Just like so. Ooh, they're perfectly cooked. Okay, and look, they're steaming. They're still a little warm. All right, now I'm gonna bring in my homemade no-bake, and I'm gonna grab a little scoop. And we are gonna scoop that right on top of 1/2 of our cinnamon roll. Oh, so good. It's just gonna melt right onto that fluffy cinnamon roll. Trying to make sure to get it on the bottom and not on the top, so it'll be easier to handle. Oh, I snuck a taste of the no-bake cheesecake, and it is incredible. Yum. Only thing that can make this better, some apple pie filling. Oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna add a little scoop right on top of that cheesecake. Doesn't that look so decadent and delicious?
Oh my goodness, wow, I can't wait to try a bite.
Apple and cheesecake stuffed cinnamon rolls. Oh my goodness. And I did cut up my apples a little bit. I just took a knife into the can so that we got smaller pieces. And it just fits so perfectly on our cinnamon rolls. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Almost done.
Perfect on there.
Yeah. Perfect. Last but not least, this is optional, but I have my caramel, and we're gonna do a nice drizzle right on top of those apples. Oh, yummy, 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 yum. Looks so good. All right, let's close these up. Oh, that was the bottom. That's okay though. Doesn't it look so good?
Wow, it looks fantastic.
It is time to give this a try. Oh, I'm excited. It's better than what you're thinking, you guys. So good.